Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if apps crashing on Infinix, not Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, open app, back and close. Open, back, close. Open, back and close. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix app crashing on Infinix, not Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.